What's up, you guys? This is Carlos from ORTIZ CUSTOM PODS. Today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually put a pillar pod in the cars right here. Again, here we got a pillar pod, single pillar pod. We have the gauge right here. Now, this is based obviously on the whole fact that you already have the gauge installed. So the gauge is already installed. I have the wire right here to connect the gauge. So now, very simple. All the clips are in place right here. The hole that we make to fit the wire through there. So now, for example, right here, we're just gonna fit the wire. Snap the pillar right in place. One little snap right there. Put the some of the wire back in. Connect the gauge in place. And that's it. That's simple. Here we have a voltmeter for this one. And it's that simple to install a pillar pod. Most pillar pods are very easy to do. Clusters are very easy to do. That's how simple they actually is. So, hey, again, check out our website, ortizcustompods.com. I'll see you there.